to Study with Marsha YouTube channel. So my dear friends, today we are going to learn how to edit a photo by using Microsoft Word. I have already saved 2 pictures in my computer. Both these pictures will help us to create the final one. First of all, I am going to select the picture with my Insert tab. So, if you are not familiar with these parts, you can refer our previous tutorials. So I am going to select the first picture from my desktop like this. Once you insert the picture, you cannot move it so that you can change the text wrap option into tight. As the first step, I am going to remove the background from my picture. So here, you can go to the Format tab and click this Remove Background option. Now you can drag these edges and select the proper area to remove the background of the image. Okay, but here see, there are some places still we can see in grey color. So, I am going to click this option, Mark Area to Remove. So, with my pen, I can select the areas that I do not need. Can you see this area? This area has been selected to be removed. But I need to keep this area. So, I can click the option Mark Area to Keep. Now I have finished editing my first picture. Okay, so this is the final look. So here you can see some excess area left blank in my background of the picture. I am going to use the crop tool and remove this unnecessary area and reposition the picture correctly. Now let's add the second picture and make the changes. So I'm going to drag my first image onto the top of the second picture. But here you will realize that my first picture is hidden behind the second. So here I can select my first image and click on this Bring Forward command. Alright, now I can resize it and move it until I get the desired position. So here is my final image after editing. So if you don't like to use this background and if you need to edit it with your own details and ideas, let's add a rectangle with the same size like this. Now we can change the color into black from the Format tab. As the next step, I am going to copy and paste my previous picture which I have edited, and then I will drag it like this. Now I am going to add a word art to add the wordings and other headings like this. I am going to continue these parts because we have already covered these in our previous videos. Now let's add the Join Now button with shapes. I'm going to make this 3D. So here it is. Now we can move them into the correct places. So you can use your own ideas and create a unique advertisement by using Microsoft Word easily. So see you with the next video soon. Thank you very much.